Welcome to my channel Infinite Learnopedia. This tutorial is about how teachers can take attendance in Google Meet. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser. In the Google page, type Chrome Web Store. Click on this option. To the left side in the search box, type Meet Attendance. On the right side, you can see extensions available. The second one I have already added. To the left side, it shows added. To add extension, click on Add to Chrome option. Then click on Add Extension. After clicking on Add Extension option, Google Meet Attendance extension will be added in your Chrome browser. Here on the right top, you can see the extension. This is Meet Attendance extension. Now we'll start a Google Meet. In the Google Meet, to the right side, you can see the extension. So when you start a Google Meet, the extension is automatically activated. If not, you can select it by clicking on the extension option. So click on the extension option and click on Meet Attendance option to activate it. So when you start a meeting, a window will pop up. So this is Meet Attendance window. So select Account, confirm permission to Meet Attendance. So Meet Attendance will access your Google account. Click on Allow option. By doing this, Meet Attendance will automatically create a spreadsheet in your Google Drive. If you will not give confirmation, then Excel sheet will not be automatically prepared in your drive. So attendance sheet will be prepared, but it will be prepared in your computer device. So if you want a sheet to be created automatically, choose an account and allow permissions to Meet Attendance. So on the right top corner, you will see one tab. This is People option. This is Chat option. Here you can see time, and this is your account icon. Click on People option. Into this again you will find People option. This is attendance icon and this is chat box. So you can even add people, and this is the attendance option. So enable these two options to create a Excel spreadsheet. So in the meeting, when you want to take attendance, click on this attendance option to create a spreadsheet. When you click on this icon, attendance spreadsheet is created automatically in your Google Drive. Here you can see attendance sheet is created. So if you find any problem after adding the extension, then in the settings option, select the monitor attendance option. And next to the extension option, click on your icon, account icon. Here you can see sync option. So you have to enable your sync option. By selecting this option, your problem can be solved. So friends, in this way you can take attendance in your Google Meet. Hope this is helpful. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.